Hello Peterson, how are you? My name is Liliana Olaya, and today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do immediately to boost the traffic to your website. So right now I am looking at it at your front page, and I can see that you have the click to call button. You have links to the different services that you provide, and another click to call button. So in terms of the amount of content, right now your front page is sitting around 254 words, and your front page is the most important one because it's the branding page and it acts as a directory for your whole website. And it's important to have enough content so that you can Google can find you and you can be optimized by Google. If I have a look at your competitors, so this is the landing page of Surf Pro for Miami, and they have around 900 words, and although it doesn't look as good as yours, they are ranking at the top. And if I look at Water Miami, Damage Miami LLC, they have around 1267 words. So a lot more content that you have on your front page, and this is the front page of Water Damage LLC. So that's definitely an opportunity of improvement for you, is to sprinkle relevant keywords in your front page. And a good way of doing that is to start pushing through more content. So a good starting point would be around 1500 words or more, between 1500 and 2000, and then push through more relevant keywords. Now, if I come to Google, to the Google search, I type in Water Damage Restoration Miami, which is a value intent keyword, and the first section is the Google Ads. And Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they are not done correctly, and also some people just turn them off in their browser. The second section is the GMPs, and GMPs are driving 40% of the traffic, so having a massive impact on businesses. And to rank at the top, you need pictures, reviews, and citations, and a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, and the details, I mean the name, the address, and the phone number, you need to match those on your Google Business Profile, so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. And the third section is the organic search. And to rank at the top of the organic search, you need, first to be found for the content, but you also need something that we call backlinks. And if I come here to Iris, this tool helps me analyze the back end of a website, and I can see that you have 41,600 backlinks in 632 referring domains. So that's 41,600 links on 632 external websites directing traffic towards your website. So that's quite a high number. Let's have a look at Surf Pro. Surf Pro, they are not showing me any data for the landing page of Miami, but I can see that the power rating of this domain, so the whole Surf Pro, is very high, and somehow it's passing on that power to this landing page. And if I look at Water Damage Miami LLC, they have 3,510 backlinks in 428 referring domains. So a lot less than you, but they are ranking on the second position for Water Damage Restoration Miami. If I come here, I also wanted to show you, this is the organic keyword section. Sorry, let me go back. In terms of backlinks, you not only want to have more backlinks, and this is the message here, you want to have backlinks that are powerful, because backlinks are not equal. They don't weigh the same. If you have these backlinks sitting on websites that are relevant to your services, to the industry that you operate in, then Google has means to verify this, and it's going to give you extra points and extra credit. So it's just not having backlinks for the sake of having backlinks, but having powerful backlinks. Now, in terms of organic keywords, you are being ranked for 1,500 keywords. So I came in here and let me remove this. So I came in here and I can see those keywords. This view shows me those keywords. The search volume is the number of searches per month for those keywords and the position that you are appearing in the Google organic search. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already ranking on the second page of Google. So very few people are looking at your website. And I actually filter out by value intent keywords. So I added these terms, so Miami, give me one sec, Miami, Florida, Broward, Fort Lauderdale. And this is what I wanted to show you, which is what I had before, is that the keywords that you are being ranked for, that are buyer intent keywords, this is organized by, look, I cannot have the water and fire restoration Miami has a search volume of 100 and you're on the 10th position. Restoration Miami, 12th position, you are in the 70 searches per month. So you are not being able to drive enough traffic related to buyer intent keywords. Miami Motor Specialist, water damage restoration Miami, you're in the 77th position. Water and fire restoration Fort Lauderdale, 77th position. Flood restoration Miami, 85th position. Water damage restoration Miami, Florida, 90th position. If I have a look at Miami Surf Pro, they are being ranked for 35 words, and in here these are the ones related to their brand. You can see that they are being ranked for more keywords, buyer intent keywords on the first and the second page, as filtered by Florida, Miami, Fort Lauderdale. And these keywords, for example, water damage restoration Miami, search volume of 300, second position. Water damage Miami 250, second position. If I look at water damage LLC, they are being ranked for 363 words, and the ones that are highlighted are the ones that they are appearing on the top positions, and that they are able to drive traffic from those, and this amounts roughly to 900 searches per month, just for these keywords that are related to the water damage restoration service. So that means that this website was in front of 900 people on any given month, and then a percentage of those actually clicked and were taken to the website of this company, and then another percentage reached out to them, and then depending on their closing rate, they were able to convert those potential customers into customers, increasing their revenue and growing their company. So that's what I wanted to share with you. So just to recap, you want to have relevant content in your website with backlinks that are powerful enough, and also you want to rank at the top of the DMPs by having more pictures, more reviews, and more citations. And if you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to go and implement it on your own. All I'm asking for is for your feedback. I would also love to hear from you. My contact details are at the bottom of this email. Feel free to arrange a more in-depth consultation with me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.